Sometimes you just want something tasty and quick to make, and I know ordering stuff is easier and maybe even cheaper sometimes, but I tell you, making your own apple pockets is the best way to go. And the good thing is they taste both good hot and cold. Here we go. First up, we need apples. Yay! Let's flutter around the apples. This won't do. Much better.
Now add the sugar, the apple juice and the cinnamon to this, and let's get cooking for a bit.
This is more or less the consistency you try to achieve. I was a bit impatient and I added a bit of starch without diluting it, so there's little specks of starch which I will remove because I'm an idiot. So yeah, I'll let this cool off a bit and then we will move on.
By filling up the puff pastry of your choice. Usually people use these as squares here, but I wanted to have one big chunker of a pocket, so I opted to have them like this. Fill them just enough so that you can seal them quite tightly. I first worked the edges with a fork and then fold it over just to be safe. I have made similar pockets and I know how the fluids just love to escape. It might not look perfect, but I'd rather have something yummy than an empty or soggy pocket.
You can make these, of course, any shape you want. I mean, they can look like the ones they have at McDonald's or any other chain you have around in your place, like rectangles or any other shape, or even hearts for Valentine's Day if you want it. Thing is, they may look alike, but they will definitely taste better. This step you don't need to do, but I like me some egg wash.
And the only real reason is that it gives it a real nice golden color, to be honest. It has become more of a habit than anything else. Weird beauty standard for baking, I suppose. Once you're all done and happy, bake them according to your puff pastry instructions. I had mine in the oven a bit longer than the instructions suggested, but that's more due to my oven than anything else. Ah, see what I mean? I was so careful to patch the edges and there was still one leaking.
Then let's see how it looks from the inside. I love to make these when I don't feel like getting all the equipments like whisks and mixers out and somebody has to clean it and I don't feel like it. You only need a pan, something to mix the stuff with, okay, a knife to cut everything with, and the puff pastry. Nothing else really. And the great thing is, it tastes amazing. I really hope you liked this week's video and I hope you give it a shot. It's really good with other fruits as well. By the way, I have a Patreon for actually quite a long while, but I never announced it because policy changes and whatnot, so I got it early. But if you do not want to support us monetarily, because you don't have to, but it would be appreciated, you can help us by subscribing, liking and commenting down there. And I can only thank you for watching to this point, to be honest. Not many do that. So I hope you have a delicious weekend and see you whenever.